The SUMIF function in Excel is used to total something if it meets a certain criteria. In this first example, we have our grades and we want to add the number of absences for seniors. So our absences are listed in column D, and the classification we are looking for seniors is in column C. Our criteria will be SR for senior. You have to use the value that's in the data. You cannot type in senior because the word senior does not appear here. You have to use the SR abbreviation. So let's look at our column, and in Q4 we're going to insert the SUMIF function because we are going to sum the absences if the student is a senior. We have 3 items to complete here. I'll just start with the criteria. The criteria here is senior. We only want the absences for seniors. The range is where you can find the criteria. So that's going to be column C for the classification. The sum range is what do you want to add? And in this case, we want to add the number of absences, which is in column D. So we want senior, and we want the classification range, and then we're going to add the number of absences. So the seniors have 9 absences in the class. Let's do that for freshmen. And in this case, our criteria will be freshmen. And where will we find that criteria for freshmen? That will be in the classification column. And again, we are adding the number of absences, which are in column D. So for freshmen, there are 19 absences. And let's compare the number of bonus points for seniors and freshmen to see maybe how much extra motivation they had during the semester to complete some bonus assignments. Let's start with the seniors. We know we want our criteria to be senior, okay, and we're going to find those again in column C. And our criteria will be senior. And in this case, we want to add the number of bonus points, which are in column I. So for the number of seniors, there are 11 bonus points. And we'll do the same for freshmen. We're going to look for freshmen here. And again, we are adding the number of bonus points, which are included here in column I. So our freshmen only earned 6 bonus points.